P2 Installation Guide.
First, choose a suitable location for the main unit. Spray alcohol on the selected area and wipe it clean with a lint-free cloth. Peel off the tape on the bottom of the main unit, stick it onto the selected location, and press firmly to secure. Choose a location for installing the main camera. Select a spot that won't obstruct your view, based on your specific situation. Spray alcohol on the chosen area and wipe it clean with a lint-free cloth. Peel off side of the static sticker. Stick it onto the chosen spot on the windshield, and press out any air bubbles. Next, peel off side of the static sticker when installing the main camera. The left port is for the main unit, and the top port is for the rear cable. Remove the tape from the back of the main camera. Stick it onto the static sticker, and press firmly to secure it. Choose a suitable spot on the rear windshield, spray some alcohol, and wipe it clean with a lint-free cloth. Before installation, make sure the rear camera lens is clean. You can wipe it with a lint-free cloth. Remove the tape. Place it on your chosen spot, and press firmly to secure it. Front thermal camera installation requires selecting the appropriate mounting bracket, based on your vehicle model.
If the gap under your hood is over 25 mm, secure it with a thumb screw.
Be careful not to block or affect the windshield wipers during installation.
If the gap under the hood is between 10 mm and 25 mm, secure it with the threaded studs. And tighten using the supplied tool.
Make sure the installation does not interfere with the windshield wipers. The thermal camera bracket can hold a maximum thickness of 5.5 mm. On this car, the hood is too thick to clamp, so use an adhesive bracket on the front instead. Remove the lens protective cover.
Then unscrew the screws behind the lens.
Attach the lens to the adhesive bracket, and then screw it back in. You can choose to install it above the license plate, or at the front edge of the hood. Choose to install it at the front edge of the hood. Spray alcohol and wipe the area clean with a lint-free cloth. Then peel off the adhesive backing of the bracket, stick it in place, and press firmly to secure it. After adjusting the lens angle, tighten the screws on both sides to secure it. Use the tool, the green bent wire, to guide the cable through the car hood. Hook it onto the connector, pull the cable out, and attach it to the lens cable. Next, use cable ties to secure the wire along the inside of the hood. Hide and fasten any excess wire, using the internal structure of the engine bay. After routing the wires, close the hood. Attach the angled end of the main cable to the front camera, and plug the straight end into the main unit. Make sure to match the different connector ends correctly. During installation, using a pry tool, route the main camera cable, and hide it along the top of the car. Route the main unit cable along the dashboard. Secure it with clips. And tuck any excess wire into the A-pillar. The thermal camera connector has no marked sides. Plug it into the top left port on the back of the main unit. Secure the cable with clips. And route it along the right side of the dashboard. Tuck any extra wire into the front door rubber strip. Attach the angled end of the rear cable to the rear camera, and hide it along the rear roof. Connect the straight end to the rear port above the main camera. Run the cable along the roof to the right A-pillar. Then follow the B and C pillars toward the back. Finally, tuck any remaining wire into the C-pillar. Take out the car charger cable, plug the angled end into the back right of the main unit, and run it along the right side of the dashboard using clips. Based on your car. Run the cable along the passenger side and the glove box area. Plug into the cigarette lighter. If the dash cam powers on, the installation is complete.